Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why so less students are joining? Already 40 है उसमें तो हम लोग इधर से 38 students are there. Why?
Don't know, ma'am. They will be joining, I guess, but it's 48.
Yes, yes. Okay. So students, how was the test yesterday?
Ma'am, I couldn't give the exam because there is certain power cut.
Why, Rajiv?
Because ma'am, there is certain power.
Why, Rajiv? Yes,
Ma'am, am I
yes.
audible?
हाँ, you are
Ma'am,
audible.
there is a certain power cut, and when I was maintaining all these things, or turning on hotspot and all of these things, my laptop charge was down, so I couldn't give the exam. I know that is a very, what can I say? There's a very excuse.
So only
But
one student who attempt the test, and any one of you?
Ma'am,
Yes,
even I
Ma'am,
attempted the
ma'am,
test, but the thing was,
mm,
in the last 5 minutes, my net went and the paper ended.
You're not audible. You're not audible.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Even I gave the test, but at last 5 minutes, my net was not there, and then when it came, paper test was gone, and
So
because of
those
which I
things you
scored
need to
less.
manage.
uh, ma'am, ma'am,
Okay.
okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
wait.
ma'am, actually, I was traveling, so not able to give the test. Like, I was in train. There was so much network fluctuations.
See, I have told you well in advance that
Ma'am,
you are
agree.
having your test.
Agree, ma'am. Actually, I am traveling. I was traveling from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, so that's why.
So have you attempted the first?
Yes, ma'am. I have attempted that one.
Okay, and Yesha, you?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rajiv, you? Okay, चलेगा देखूंगी मैं. I'll just check out क्या marks आ रहे हैं. I will compile it
Yes,
and then
ma'am.
let you know.
That time the grade was low,
Okay.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Percent was there only.
See, this is not the end ना. अभी आपके CC2 भी आने वाले हैं. So
Okay.
don't worry. I will just check out. At least see, ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप बिल्कुल ही नहीं attempt किया and you are getting very less marks. If you are getting something, you can just make up in your CC2 also. Okay. So there is always a second chance, students. Don't worry. Start working hard and see. There can be probability that you all are just looking into your books also, and there can be. ठीक है, आप internet भी surfing कर रहे हो while giving your test. But please, students, this will not help you in getting your placements and good internship. Please learn it, students. My sincere request, I'm your teacher, I'm a faculty, I'm a guide. I will just tell you this thing and I'll tell in all my classes. See, this happens, but this is something you should learn it on your own. आप सोचो 40 क्वेश्चंस आपने दो टेस्ट टॉपिक्स के लिए खुद से किए. Whatever you have secured, those who have not referred to any of the places, any of the sources, they are really they have benefited out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
And trust me, you will feel it that how this is going to help you in placement. This is going to help you in placement. You can ask anyone. And after August, be prepared that you will be setting for your internship interviews, tests. All will be happening. This all is going to help you out there because you know how to cope up with tensions. कहते हैं ना fear, all those things come suddenly in front of you. So many questions, everything is there. Time limit is there. So you have to manage all those things. You have to learn all those things, students. Okay, so these are very simple things. Try and understand. This is going to, this is for your grooming only. We are putting up so many tests for you. It's not that we are because हम हमें क्या हम तो बैठ के बनाते रहते हैं लेकिन the thing is that we need to all need to understand these things are going to help you out in near future. Okay, so I will just compile the marks. Okay, and then I'll let you know that any of the students who are missing, who have not given their test. Okay, and one more thing, any students who were not there in that assignment section which you all have submitted, the caselet assignment, any student?
Yes, ma'am. I
Sushant?
guess there were three students. who were
Okay.
not in any groups in the assignment.
Okay, so Shant, can you please give their names to me? And I request those 3 students to form one group. Who were there? Can you let me know? I will just tell them right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Me.
Ma'am, I was there, ma'am. Shivang Mishra.
Amruta.
Shivang,
Yes, yes.
Amruta.
Amruta, and
Gamini ma'am.
okay, Gamini. So you have heard what was covered in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please, for 3 of you, you form one group. Okay. Form one group and prepare a model on your own, and you can submit it on the Quick Force. I will open these things for you. So today is 30th. I am giving you 2 days time. Till 2nd, you please submit.
Okay.
I don't want that any student should be left out. So I have given this. Sushant and Megha, please make this sure that all the left out students are in this group.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Please do that. And any problem, please connect with me.
Okay, ma'am.
If you're not getting
Ma'am.
this. So, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I had just one thing to ask is that the best of the 2 exams will be taken into consideration, right?
Yes, yes. Best of, not average, best of 2 I'll be taking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if you have appeared in any one of the tests also, so that is fine then. Okay, and those who have appeared in both the tests, so I'll be taking the best marks which you have got in both the 2 exams. Okay. I think it is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Sure. Now, I will start with the new topic, that is your network. Okay, अब थोड़ा सा हमें fast चलना पड़ेगा because उससे पहले I will just show you that what we have covered till now, and please go through it once. That any problem, any confusion, you can always come back to me and ask me that these courses were not clear to you. These topics were not clear to you. So please, I will show you what we need to cover before mid-sem. 3 topics are still left. एक minute. Can you see this session plan, students?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Network problem. ठीक है ना? I'll just switch off my video. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
So as you have seen, we have information system beginning, data and information, classification of information systems. Now these 2 things which we'll be doing in network part, okay? IT infrastructure, hardware, software, network resources, LAN, WAN, internet, what all these we will be covering up in today's session. आज और कल में हो जाना चाहिए हमारा on Friday session. Then classification, already we have done different types of information system, TPS. Now after that, after 2 sessions, we will be starting with information system development concepts. Okay, class? This one. So this will be all your, this will again be a little bit, मतलब theory नहीं समझो, practically है ये सब चीजें, जिसमें थोड़ा diagrams भी हमें देखने हैं. तो till Scrum.
I mean, software developing life cycle. SDL.
Software development life cycle. So all the models we are going to learn, students, diagrams, with diagrams we'll be learning it. So ये हमारा 3-4 class जाएगा, and then I will start what I am thinking, because I think we should not run out of time. Then I will start with ERP, supply chain, and your custom CRM. And same hand means we have a class of 1 hour 15 minutes. So half an hour I will be covering up theory, and after that half an hour I will be taking your Excel. Okay. So pre-mid-sem, we have these topics needed to be covered. Overview and data entry, data editing, number formatting. So all sum, average, count, count A, count blank, count if, average, all we will be covering up. So because these are quite simple ERP and supply, and you have done almost all types of information system, So it will be easy for you to understand now ERP, CRM, and supply chain management. We will be doing 1 or 2 case studies also on this. That will give you a better overview of these subjects. Okay. So this is the way we are going to flow. 3 topics, major topics are left now. One is your information system development model, and then ERP, supply chain, CRM, and Excel. So Excel we will start, and post midterm also we have Excel. Post midterm, we have most of the practical things. Almost theory we will be covering it up. Theory हमारा हो जाएगा because इसमें हमारा database management system में again normalization first, second and third थोड़ा हम एक दो classes में आपको first keys and DBM concepts बताएंगे and then ER diagrams and all these you need to solve it on papers. ठीक है ना? Without उसके नहीं होगा आप लोगों को. ठीक है? Then again cyber crime and cyber security we will be checking it out. And then these things current trends I'm thinking of giving to you all only. आप लोग इसको present करो. ठीक है? In the class we will discuss and you all can present. See, I have not yet decided. I will see how the things are moving on. And then again we have MS Access. MS Access again practical things should be happening. जिसमें again मैं group form करूँगी आप लोगों को एक model में. Obviously I'll be taking classes first and then you will be preparing the application accordingly. Okay. This will be again a group assignment and for this I'll be taking Viva also. Done till now, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we will be moving on. Hope this is clear to all of you. अभी तक जो भी आप देख रहे हो कोई भी concept है जो topic है, if it is not clear to you all, please let me know. I will help you out in clarifying those topics. Now we'll start with your network techniques. Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so networks, what we understand of the network, what right now we all are on some power cut, you cannot connect to the hotspot.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Fine.
Breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा रुको, आज मेरा नेटवर्क चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया, मेरा ही नेटवर्क पुअर चल रहा है. ओके, एक मिनट रुको, let's try to change. Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So network is actually the main source of the communication which facilitates the organization to communicate with their customers, their employees, their collaborators, their suppliers, and it facilitates organization in maintaining a good e-business system for the computer automations of the organization. अभी जितनी भी types of information system we have gone through, functional information system we have gone through, all these are only possible when we have a good network connection across our business functioning. Okay, class? This is really very important to understand that if the network is not there, there is no collaboration is going to take place. Again, जैसे आप लोग test में कल appear नहीं कर पाए because network connection was not there. You can't listen to me properly because the network connection is not proper. So see how important it is for us to virtually connect with each other, coming in face to face with each other, and then collaborating with each other. So now we will be discussing what it is all about. So we'll be talking about first about the open systems. Open systems to just understand, like for example, you are 6 months back, क्या आप लोग quick force access कर पाते थे students? Have you heard?
No, ma'am.
When you have joined IBS, okay, then only you have heard of these types of systems. And again, you had got proper ID and your password, your authentication IDs are there. Then only you are able to access these types of LMSs. Again, जैसे आपका एक और SIS है portal, ठीक है? Again, that is a system through which you can get to know how much marks you have got, what is the status of your attendance, your status of your certificates, everything. You get all the updates about your personal information on your SIS portal. So you are, or these are the systems which has been designed for the benefit of the students. जैसे हमारा अपना एक, हम as a faculty, as an employee of this organization, we have a separate, जैसे आपके SIS है, we have a HRMS system, ठीक है, हमारे personal system है, which facilitates us to find out that okay, what is the status of my leave, what is my whenever I want to just take out my pay slips, I can easily take the snapshot, I can take the printouts of it, my income tax statement, everything is maintained over there. So before I was not employee of IBIS, I could not access that. So when we are coming to any of these organizations which are following certain information systems, we need proper authorization, proper credentials to get into that, that it is not possible. Like again, now for example, आपका जैसे आप अपने मोबाइल फोन्स पे चेक करोगे, आपके पास जीपे है, पेटीएम है, there are certain mobile applications also there. E-commerce applications are there in your mobile phones. So sometimes it happens. So when you enter, ठीक है, जैसे मान लो आपके मोबाइल में Amazon का application है. Obviously, many of you must be having in your mobile phones right now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So your credentials are already feeded into that. Yes. You have already registered in that particular portal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your information, these are the systems, these are the applications which has facilitated Amazon to directly come in connection with their customers, wherein you can just go to your mobile phones. That is a shopping complete destination for you. You can just go order anything at any point of time. You should have application, you should have network. That's two requirements are there. Rest everything will be catered by the application. So you have to understand all these things. You just connect, you think, start thinking towards that direction, then you'll be able to get all the concepts very, very smoothly. So these are the information systems that use common standards for hardware, like for example, the devices, the techniques which are right now you are sitting with your network connection, Wi-Fi on, with your laptops, with proper electricity connection, everything. So what are these? These are the hardwares which are the devices which are facilitating you in attending the sessions in a very, very smooth manner. Now, software. What are the softwares which are required right now?
Ma'am, Zoom application.
Zoom application.
Zoom application. See there, again, अभी ये यहाँ पे software भी है, applications है. Both can be used vice versa also. Sometimes it is used differently also. Like for example, आपने जब Zoom application को install करना शुरू किया होगा, you required operating system.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, operating system क्या हो गया? ये आपका system software हो गया, which facilitates you in. These are what? These are system software which is facilitating you in running your system, your devices, your mobile, your laptops, your computer systems in a very, very smooth manner. अगर operating system नहीं होगा तो क्या आप ये सब application install कर पाओगे?
No, ma'am.
It is then again just a device. It is just a device. अगर मैं आपका मोबाइल फोन से आपका सब कुछ निकाल लूं, नेटवर्क हटा लूं, आपके जो सिस्टम है उसको क्रैक कर दूं, जो OS है which is crack, your mobile will become a simple डब्बा. Yes, क्योंकि फिर चाहे कितना भी हाई एंड लैपटॉप और आपका मोबाइल फोन क्यों ना हो, आपका वो मोबाइल या सिस्टम डब्बा बन के रह जाएगा. It will be of no use. डब्बा because I'm using, because बस stored है, nothing you can just storage power is there, nothing apart from it you can do it. No functioning can be done. So this is the way how you have to understand that all these things are very much required to do your to function out your devices in a very, very smooth manner. Now you have network software also. Like when you open the settings of the network in your laptops right now, आप देखो, check out करो. Students, I always give this exercise to my students. Today you will do this thing that all of you will just go to your setting panels of your laptops, okay, or your systems where you are working through, and you will just find out what are the network settings features available in your laptops. Okay, understood? क्या करना है आपको? Settings पे जाना है, network connection में जाना है, and then you have to see to it that what are the features available over there. So for that also you require software, जो कि आजकल लैपटॉप्स में generally ये software पहले inbuilt करके देते हैं. Earlier phases में 10 years back, 12 years back, वो सब सारे हमें खुद से लगाने पड़ते थे, but लेकिन now वो सारे हमें already we get it, all those things. So you need to require these things. अगर जैसे आप printer है होगा आप लोगों के घरों में, आप लोगों के पास students? Printers?
Yes, ma'am.
Printers are there?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
so printer will be there in what category? Hardware, software, or application?
Hardware.
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 अच्छा, जैसे आपने प्रिंटर खरीदा तो इमीडिएटली आपने प्रिंटर को लैपटॉप से आप आराम से अपनी प्रिंट आउट निकालना शुरू कर सकते थे?
नो,
नो मैम।
एक सीडी आई होगी या
हाँ
फिर
उसका
किसी
सॉफ्टवेयर
जगह पे
इंस्टॉल करना
कनेक्शन,
पड़ता है।
yes, उसको सॉफ्टवेयर को पहले इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है so that you can just run any of these hardwares attached to your laptops or the system in a very smooth. So all of these things are required to function your information system in a very processed way. Okay, and then obviously you have networking. Networking means network which is required for connecting you to the virtual world. Okay, इसी पे हम सारे discussions करेंगे. So open systems like internet and corporate intranet and extranet, ये तीनों चीज हम discuss करेंगे detail में, and create a computing environment that is open, easy access by end users. End users means we have discussed it earlier also. Who are the end users?
Us.
Yes, us and employees, collaborators, their customers, their suppliers, everyone. Okay, and your okay, now internet. What is the full form of internet? Anyone knows what is the full form of internet? क्या है इंटरनेट का full form? हाँ, इंटरनेट का भी फुल फॉर्म होता है.
इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क्स.
Yes, ma'am. Interconnected network.
इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क्स. कितने ने गूगल सर्च किया फटाफट?
अभी तो कर किया मैम.
मैम अभी गूगल किया.
इसको इसका एक सिनोनिम टर्म हम लोग इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क भी यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, व्हाई इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क? इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क्स आर देयर, बट इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क्स व्हाई इट इज कंसिडर्ड फ्रॉम द बिजनेस एंगल इट इज बीइंग यूज्ड. वैसे आप करेक्ट हो, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अनदर line also, when because internet facilitates you to create a local environment market for the organizations. Have you heard of this term, local? When globe is the local market for any organization, the entire globe. Okay, आपके लिए कोई एक आपका regional market ही आपके लिए सिर्फ market नहीं है. The entire globe, the entire world is a marketplace for you. Okay, so that is why ये internet facilitate करता है आपको to internationally connect with your customers, your collaborators, your suppliers, anybody, anyone, your employees who are working throughout this globe. आज के date पे क्या है? You are throughout the globe, your employees are working. So you have to connect with them. So that is why international network is also given one of the name, because business angle के लिए not, but it is the interconnected where you are connecting all the networks together for the virtual communication. So its architecture also provides a high degree of interoperability. In what do you understand by interoperability? Interoperability suggests you that when you are just going, when you are communicating, it should be device to device. Okay, device to device, when you're transferring certain information person to person. Okay, from one person to another person, you are transforming the information, and from networks to network, from one network to another network. And because in today's scenario wherein we are living in the data explosion zone. Okay class, data explosion zone. What do you understand by data explosion? Have you heard of this term, students? क्या है data explosion?
Data is coming from everywhere.
When you are bombarded with data from every sources. आज के डेट में आपको, आप ऐसे गूगल सर्च किए ना, अभी गूगल सर्च किया आपने, तो if you want one information, maybe sometimes you are getting 100 types of information, you also get confused what to copy, what not to copy. Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
This is which is the correct answer, which is not the correct answer. So this is the scenario wherein you are living in a data bombardment zone, wherein you are searching for one data and you're getting data from all the sources. Okay, so iske liye it's very important that when you are transferring these types of information, that is happening on a very high speed. ठीक है, speed, volume. Okay, speed होनी चाहिए, volume होनी चाहिए, and उसकी capacity होनी चाहिए. Getting my point? 3 points समझो. Speed, वॉल्यूम एंड कैपेसिटी, मीन्स उसके पास इतनी कैपेसिटी, सर्वर स्ट्रेंथ इतनी होनी चाहिए कि इट कैन एक्सेस सो मच ऑफ डेटा एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, अब सोचो हम तो एक लोग हैं जो विच वी आर ऑर्डरिंग और वी आर राइटिंग एनीथिंग ऑन द फेसबुक और वी आर राइटिंग एनीथिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, हम वी आर वन, बट think what kind of data they are generating on the daily basis. Students, just check out. देखो गूगल पे ये भी अवेलेबल. How much data every real time basis पे आप सोचो, in 5 minutes how much comments, how much posts, how many pictures, how many reels, आजकल तो reels का भी बड़ा जमाना आ गया है, and then your videos and pictures, how much it is uploaded. एक एक कमेंट्स, अभी अभी आपके वो जो हैप्पी बर्थडेज के GIF होते हैं ना, GIF
Yes, ma'am.
they have more space. अब जैसे आप हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखते थे किसी को या हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी यू राइट, बट राइट नाउ वी पुट अप GIFs, ठीक है ना, कि इट लुक्स नाइस आल्सो एंड इट इज इजी, यू डोंट नीड टू टाइप, वी जस्ट पुट अप दोस थिंग्स. उसमें पता है वो ज्यादा स्पेस लेता है. Obviously you know that photographs, when you are sending photos or videos to someone, it creates more space, it takes more bandwidth of your network. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. What is
Yes, ma'am.
corporate intranet?
अभी बताऊंगी, उन सब पे आऊंगी. अभी मैं शुरू कर दूंगी तो ये नहीं समझ में आएगा, अभी मैं बता रही हूँ बिकॉज यही, ठीक है.
Ma'am, how can we, ma'am, intranet be a open system? Ma'am, intranet to closed system, ma'am, within a specific organization.
अरे यार आ रही हूँ मैं उस पे, ठीक है.
Okay.
ऑब्वियस सी बात है ना, अभी आप इंट्रानेट की बात, हम कॉर्पोरेट इंट्रानेट इसीलिए हम बात कर रहे हैं. इंटरनेट के थ्रू आप कॉर्पोरेट इंट्रानेट कनेक्ट कर रहे हो ना, एंड दोज इंट्रानेट आर विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड समटाइम्स यू हैव टू मेक. अभी वेबसाइट है, वेबसाइट क्या है आपका, ओपन सिस्टम है कि नहीं, एप्लीकेशंस क्या है आपका, ओपन सिस्टम है. सो हम इस पे डिस्कस करेंगे, अभी डोंट वरी. अभी 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 जैसे मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी इंट्रानेट है, सो इंट्रानेट में विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग, सो इट इज ओपन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस ना, फॉर क्रेडेंशियल्ड ऑथराइज्ड यूजर, डिफरेंस समझो. इसीलिए मैं अभी ये नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं आ रही हूँ उसके ऊपर, देन इट विल बिकम मोर क्लियर. डोंट वरी राइट. ओके, नाउ
Okay, ma'am.
it enable the many different activities of end users to be accomplished using different varieties of computer system. Obviously, we all of us are having different varieties of different brands of laptops. किसी के पास Mac है, किसी के पास कोई, some people are on their MacBooks, मतलब और कोई अपने टैब पे है, कोई मोबाइल पे है. So all, but we all are together right now virtually. Software packages are required, databases are required, wherein all your data is stored in a proper way provided by a variety of interconnected networks. Like obviously आप जब data भी connect कर रहे हो तो for that also you require proper network connections. Okay, then major capabilities of the information system, which we have just discussed, that it perform high speed, high volume and numerical computations of all of these. ओके, सो अभी आपको कैसे, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, आप अभी गूगल पे सर्च करो कि हाउ मच फेसबुक इज जनरेटिंग डेटा राइट नाउ, प्लीज टेल मी. सर्च करो सब कोई, जब है ही मोबाइल फोन तो काम कर, पढ़ाई कुछ यूजफुल काम किया जाए उस पे. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज सर्च इन गूगल दैट हाउ मच डेटा फेसबुक इज जनरेटिंग एवरी डे. प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू विल सी द फिगर.
4 petabytes.
यस, कितना बताया आपने?
4
petabytes.
4 petabytes.
per day.
सोचो अभी हम लोग टेराबाइट ये सबसे भी ऊपर जा चुके हैं. इज जनरेटिंग, जस्ट थिंक ऑफ, जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम का चेक करो. That's a 4 petabytes of data per day. That's a million gigabytes. Okay, gigabytes हो गई. अभी then just find out Instagram का figure. Instagram का
2.5 quintillion bytes.
हाँ,
Yes.
2.5 quintillion bytes.
yes, but it is on the 3rd place. Okay, and then Twitter का find out करो. Twitter
12 terabytes.
12 terabytes.
More than 12 terabytes.
One, see the level of generation of data. Amazon check karo. Amazon. See, बताओ देखो स्टूडेंट्स कितना है? Amazon का figure?
Ma'am, it's around 100 million gigabytes.
See the imagination, the way, the how much amount of data. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ और स्पीड देखो इसकी. कितने देर में आप लोगों ने ये सब सारे डेटा फिल्टर आउट किए हैं फ्रॉम गूगल? I was just checking the time, 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes also, not exactly 2 minutes also. ठीक है, less than मतलब कुछ 1 point some seconds हुए. And volume, the level, the number, all of you must have been doing it and see the number of data which is just picking up so fastly. And all of these, जैसे ये क्या हो रही है, counting हो रही है, एक average figure which is coming to all of you. So ये सब हम numerical computation, like for example, you just find out that per day counting कितनी हो रही है, average figure कितनी हो रही है, आपकी maximum limit कितनी जा रही है, आपकी minimum count कितना आ रहा है, how many pictures are posted, how many. So what you are doing, you are categorizing it, which we have learned it earlier, that you are, when the data is coming, you are categorizing it, you are condensing it by putting proper calculation tools on it, by applying certain tools on it. आप statistical measure निकाल रहे हो. So all these things are very much important for these information systems. So why these information systems need to do, जैसे अभी हम बात करेंगे intranet की. Intranet is within the organization. So within the organization, all these things are happening. Okay, but through internet, on internet, that is your open network wherein you are putting all these things and we can able to access all this information. We can able to access all these informations. It provides very fast, accurate communication and collaboration within and amongst the organization. Okay, right information to right person at right point of time. It is really very important information system capabilities. अगर आप कोई information बनी गया but आपने उसको पहुंचाया ही नहीं हो जिसको use करना, so what is of use? It is of no use. आपका information system is a complete failure. It stores huge amounts of information in an easy yet access yet small space. अजी देखो, अभी small space की बात आती है ना, तो if you have heard of the term cloud computing, सुना है? आप लोग भी अपने डेटा क्लाउड पे स्टोर करते हो,
क्लाउड स्टोरेज,
क्लाउड स्टोरेज पे करते हो. तो सोचो हम लोग एज एन इंडिविजुअल वी हैव स्टार्ट यूजिंग क्लाउड. Organization are using that, for example, they are using the software packages, software as a service, cloud में use होता है, ठीक है. Platform, as all types of platforms of different networks, devices, everything can be made available. Servers can be made available from there, from your cloud cloud platform. Then you have this thing, security as a service, wherein from the cloud we can get the capability of storing our securing our networks through those softwares, okay, so that your information systems are not crashed. So आपके पास भले ही अपना space कम हो, but you are taking the facility of all these cloud things, ठीक है. और small space क्या है, चिप में तो है सब कुछ. हाँ, आप आपके अपने लैपटॉप में क्या है, it's a very small device but you can store huge amount of data into it, huge amount of data. आप अपने सब देखो, आपकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है, स्टोरेज कितनी है, रैम कितनी है आपके सिस्टम को, सबको पता होना चाहिए. यस क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस प्लीज. आप ये सब चीजें बहुत बेसिक चीजें हैं, इनको आप लोग हमेशा ध्यान रखो. मैंने तो एक बार एक असाइनमेंट, जब आई वाज फिजिकली, हम लोग थे क्लास में कभी किसी दिन किसी जमाने में, सो आई हैव सेंड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स टू वहाँ पे उनका आरसीटी मॉल है ना, वहाँ पे लैपटॉप के दुकान पे भेजा था. मैं बोली जाओ चेक करके आओ कितने कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लैपटॉप्स अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, गो एंड चेक आउट. दिस लिटरली मैंने असाइनमेंट के लिए भेजा हुआ स्टूडेंट्स को, फाइंड आउट, एक ग्रुप था जिसको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, बोले नथिंग डूइंग, यू गो देयर, फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी, क्या फर्क होता है दो रैम, अगर रैम की कैपेसिटी क्या होगी उसके, एंड एक्चुअली दैट हैज हेल्प देम अ लॉट, तब उनकी समझ में आए. सो प्लीज चेक आउट, आप अपने बेस्ट टीचर हो, एटलीस्ट अपने डिवाइसेस के बारे में यू शुड बी नोइंग वेरी मच in depth. Okay, now allow quick and inexpensive access to vast amount of information and worldwide. आप लोग देखते हो ना अभी, जैसे आप लैपटॉप्स भी खरीदते हो या फिर अपने मोबाइल फोन्स खरीदते हो, मोबाइल फोन सिर्फ इतना खरीदते हो आपके ओके पिक्चर्स अच्छे आ गए एंड द 4G नेटवर्क अवेलेबल, यू कैन इजीली एक्सेस, और आप खरीद लेते हो उसको मोबाइल फोन को, यू सी द ब्रांड एंड बाय इट. No, you check the configuration also. क्या configuration में क्या check करते हो आप?
RAM storage.
RAM storage, processor.
Storage. Processor उसकी कैसी है? क्यों? So that you can store more and more information in that single device. Okay, आपने एक बार एक डिवाइस खरीद ली तो आप ये सोचते हो कि एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 or 2 years you are, means your device is capable enough of maintaining all your data. अब डेटा क्या है, कभी आप जैसे भी डॉक्यूमेंट है, कोई असाइनमेंट हम सेंड करते हैं और यू फिल अप सर्टेन फॉर्म्स, आपकी एप्लीकेशंस है, मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस है, गेम्स खेलते हो आप, सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच हैव कम अप. सो आपको लगता है कि एक बार आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया, सो ऑल दिस विल हैपन इन अ वेरी वेरी स्मूथ मैनर इन फ्रॉम योर वन पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस. So these are all, whatever you are spending here now, these are all one time spend investment students. एक बार आप करते हो ना, फिर ठीक है, you आप upgrade करते हो, obviously you all keep on upgrading it, you keep on integrating new features and systems to it, ठीक है, but एक बार आपका setup हो जाता है, then it becomes very easy and inexpensive of putting up same thing to everyone. Transmission of information becomes very very simple. It facilitates the interpretation of vast amount of data. So obviously we can just pick up any number of data right now and we can interpret. जैसे for example Excel की बात होगी, Excel को अभी आप बताओ, हम 5000 डेटा पे भी एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन लगा सकते हैं, 5 डेटा पे भी लगा सकते हैं. आपको डरने की बात है, ऊपर से हम नीचे सेलेक्ट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एवरेज, दो वेरिएबल को उठाओ, उनकी कोरिलेशन, रिग्रेशन, एनीथिंग वी कैन जस्ट फाइंड आउट. So these softwares are actually making very very convenient for us to find out that what kind of data are coming up. It increases the effectiveness and efficiency of people. Obviously we have learned it earlier also, what difference between effectiveness and efficiency of people working in group in one place or in several locations anywhere. Right now we all are sitting in the different locations in India, but still we are connected with each other, we know each other, we know एक relationship establish हो गई हमारे बीच कि okay, you are my students, I know you, you know me. So wherever you are sitting, whichever part of this country, but we all are connected in the same way, in the way students who are there in the sitting in Mumbai, or the students who are sitting in different parts of our country. Okay, now for automation of both semi-automatic and business processes and manual tasks. जैसे हमने देखा ही है operational support system में how your operational and structured tasks are completely automated. There's no one who is actually required to do those tasks. Okay. Any problem till here, students? Any line, please? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, understood.
अच्छा, एक और आप लोगों को बताती हूँ, अभी सबसे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा डेटा प्रोड्यूस करने वाला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कौन है, आपको पता है?
Ma'am, Google.
Yes.
Google.
Yes, yes.
20 petabytes.
देखो, सबसे ज्यादा उनकी अभी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली द कैपेबिलिटीज, हम लोग इतना आप लोगों को भी बोल रहे हैं ना कि लर्न एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस, ये सब इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज you name it and those organizations have their now different data science centers and departments in the organization. Okay, so data analytics centers are there in the different organizations. So that is why we are promoting, and we are always suggesting, and we are sensitizing our students to learn at least 1 or 2 technical and analytical skill set. Okay, so that it will facilitate you in getting better jobs. ओके बिकॉज दीज आर देखो अभी मैनेजमेंट लर्निंग तो आपकी हो ही गई, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वो तो आपको आनी है जब तक आपको अपना मैनेजमेंट मैनेजरियल कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन मैनेजमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स ओनली, वो हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. बट द थिंग इज दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स रिक्वायर अ स्मॉल skill set of analytics. So इसीलिए Excel is one of the thing which actually facilitates you in doing better analytical bend आप में आता है. And apart from it, R भी हम start करते हैं. R codes we teach our students. And after your second semester, we suggest students so that they can go for these certifications like Python का हो गया. And if you opt for analytics subjects in IT in the third semester, so right now just like we are doing our advanced R we are doing, and we are having Hadoop also. So ये सब चीजें हैं, और आप बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस सेलेक्ट करते हो तो देन यू हैव दिस Tableau and Power BI and all these SAS which is taught to you. So these things you need to understand. At least आप ये सब सारी चीजें ना अभी से सोचना समझना शुरू कर दो, which will actually, सबसे पहला चीज है ना, अब एनालिटिक्स के फादर ने बोल चुका है, द फादर ऑफ एनालिटिक्स, दैट एक्सेल को सबसे ज्यादा हम लोग ये सोचते हैं, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बेस्ट एनालिटिकल टेक्निक्स व्हिच इज यूज्ड थ्रूआउट अक्रॉस द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इन प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो. इसलिए आज के डेट में स्पेशली फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट और मार्केटिंग एनालिस्ट की जो पोस्ट्स आती है, जॉब्स आती है हमारे कॉलेज में, हम देखते आ रहे हैं सब में सबसे पहली रिक्वायरमेंट एक्सेल की. इसीलिए हम लोग फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से इंडक्शन में हम भी स्टार्ट टीचिंग स्टूडेंट्स एक्सेल. इनफैक्ट इंटर्नशिप में भी आपको ऐसे कंपनीज आएंगे विच रिक्वायर बेसिक एक्सेल की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. सो इसीलिए हम लोग प्री मिड स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि एटलीस्ट स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट. ओके, एंड बाय द मिड सेम जैसी एंड होती है, उसके बाद कंपनीज आनी शुरू होती है फॉर योर इंटर्नशिप. सो बाय दैट टाइम यू आर एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिसिंग. उस टाइम पे हम आपको सिखाते रहते हैं, तो आपको क्या होता है कि व्हेन द कंपनीज आर कमिंग, सो यू आर गुड टू गो. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में तो ऑब्वियसली वी आर डूइंग IBA बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स में, तो हम एक्सेल ही एडवांस पूरा एक्सेल चलता रहता है अपना. सो दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू नीड टू जस्ट थिंक ऑफ कि मतलब क्या और एक्स्ट्रा आप ऐड ऑन कर सकते हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग इन योर कॉलेज. ओके क्लास, प्लीज थोड़ा सा ज्ञान हो गया जो मैं आप लोगों को दे दी. but trust me students, because what I am seeing now from your seniors, so what that I am just putting to all of you so that you just start preparing from now on. I want that कि जो चीज वो लोग झेल रहे हैं वो मैं आपके सामने दे लेके आ जाती हूँ कि so that कि what they are facing you should not face it. Okay, now we have the business. This please understand this in a very good manner, that what strategic capabilities we will understand everything. Then after that why we require these kind of telecommunication networks. Now coming to all of you, what do you understand? Like for example, strategic capabilities you have seen overcoming geographic barriers. What do you understand by geographic barriers? What do you understand by geographic barriers?
Like, place location.
Yes,
place
class.
location.
Diversity
Can connect all of
because we can't at a particular point of time we can't connect to all the people in the world, or specifically suppose someone is in San Francisco, someone is in Calcutta, someone is in Mumbai, so there's the space is huge. In order to connect the people together, we need something, a solution that is quick and that is cost effective.
Exactly. Okay, so right now if you can see, we can take the example of the present session. When we are having this session, we all of us are in the different parts, different locations, but still we are overcoming the geographic barriers and we are coming together for this particular session. ओके, यू आर सिटिंग इन विचेवर प्लेस, ठीक है, आप रात को भी आप कहीं से भी कुछ भी ऑर्डर करते हो, आप कुछ भी कोई प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करते हो, तो आप मुंबई में बैठे हो, प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर हो रहा है बैंगलोर में, एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सोनीपत और हरियाणा और चंडीगढ़, कमिंग टू दिल्ली, एंड देन इट इज कमिंग टू यू इन Mumbai. So see, this is how the linkages are there, the points of sales are being attached to one another, and then it is facilitating your organizations to communicate with their customers directly right in front of their laptops, devices, and the mobile phones. Now, coming to the second point, overcoming time barriers. Can anyone explain time barriers?
Ma'am, different locations have different time zones. So
Okay.
to facilitate that, for example, I'm sitting in India and I'm sending something across the world. So the person who's sitting on that end, that person would be checking at a different time.
Yes. One angle is correct. एक one और angle है इसका. और बताओ. You are correct. You are correct. Because
And
as he has
whenever the
said,
information is required by the end user, it can be transferred immediately to that individual at whatever
Ma'am,
specific time he needs it.
Time barriers is also an example of that thing that we studied earlier, like in batch processing and real-time processing. In certain scenarios, for example, let's say in Flipkart, Amazon, in e-commerce, real-time credit transaction or debit transaction is needed. Let's say I'm ordering something, I want to pay. I have to pay it within that particular time frame so that the order can be processed.
Exactly.
So this is also an example of time barrier.
Perfect. All
Ma'am,
that.
also,
Yes.
ma'am, time difference, as in working hours. My working hours are different in India. Someone else is sitting across the world. Their working hours are different.
Yes, correct. Because time barriers में भी अभी जैसे internship की बात सुन लो, अभी internship में 3 organizations ऐसे थे कि बच्चों को US client के साथ बिठाया गया था. So their working hours were from 5 o'clock in evening till 12 o'clock at night. ऐसे अभी अपने इंटर्नशिप की बात में बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज उनको यूएस कंसल्टेंसी वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले थे. सो दे वर डूइंग सिटिंग 5 o'clock. जैसे मैं कभी मीटिंग करना रहता तो मैम हमारे लिए सुबह कर दो प्लीज, क्योंकि हमारा तो शाम में चलता रहता है. अभी हमारी जो एक्सेल की क्लासेस चल रही थी तो उनके लिए फिर हम थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट कर रहे थे, बिकॉज उनका वही टाइम लाइन था. सो व्हाट टू बी डन. सो दिस इज द थिंग, एज यू ऑल हैव कम अप विद ऑल द करेक्ट पॉइंट्स. हम रात को 12 बजे भी बैठ के अपनी ऑर्डरिंग करते हैं तो वो मैं बोलता है नो जस्ट वेट टिल 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning, then your order will be processed.
No, ma'am.
No, immediately everything happens. आपकी पेमेंट हो जाती है, आप अपने पेमेंट ऑप्शंस, as rightly said by one of you, that everything is done in a sequential manner at that point of real time basis. तो टाइम इज नॉट अ फैक्टर. आप किसी भी लोकेशन पे बैठ के किसी भी पॉइंट पे बैठ के यू कैन ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू कॉस्ट बैरियर्स. कैन एनीवन एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज कॉस्ट बैरियर?
Ma'am, the infrastructure cost, for example, I'm setting up
Yes,
my infra, tech infra.
Yes, अभी का टाइम आप ले
devices, so that is different for everyone.
Yes. Just take the example of COVID time. So many news are coming that the many organizations have now thinking of that they work from home should be promoted. Why?
Because it's more cost efficient.
Yes, very cost efficient actually. And अगर आप लोगों के कोई फ्रेंड या सिबलिंग्स या कोई फैमिली मेंबर्स आप लोग देखे होंगे बहुत सारे घरों में, तो दे हैव गिवन टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ सेटिंग अप अ ऑफिस इन देयर होम्स. पैसे दिए हैं, बोनस मिले हैं कितने लोगों को. माय ब्रदर एंड ऑल लोग सबको घर पे काम करने के लिए मिला है कि पूरा आप सेटअप कर लो ऑफिस. दो सिस्टम है. माय ब्रदर इज वर्किंग विद दीज ऑल चैटबॉट टेक्निक्स, तो उसको तो मतलब 2 लैपटॉप्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है बिकॉज एक से काम नहीं हो रहा है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उन लोगों को लैपटॉप खरीदो, टेबल्स, एवरीथिंग सेटअप फॉर सेटिंग अप ऑफ ऑफिस. So while we are visiting office, तो क्या होता है students? Generally we have the cost of electricity, your cost of network, cost of the day-to-day जो भी हम चाय पानी करते हैं उसका, all the things. Manpower is required for cleaning, security, everything is required. सोचो ये सब सारे खर्चे होते हैं. Okay, right from sitting at your home, you can just connect with your work. देखो पर्पस क्या है, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कुछ भी होने का, कि आपका काम होना चाहिए. Okay, so work is being done and in more efficient manner. Okay, now overcoming structural barrier. Can you just explain what is structural barrier?
Ma'am, is it like in an actual office, there'll be hierarchical orders, and then for
Yes.
yeah, so if in telecommunication, we can contact anyone of any position in the
Yes,
company. Right?
Yes, in today's scenario, what is happening? अभी तो आप लोग student हो, but all the email IDs are available in your portal. आपको मन है, आपको कोई complaint है, you can just immediately go and write application to anyone that this is the problem you are facing, and nobody is going to disclose that somebody has put up a complaint against anyone. So this is the way things are happening. अगर आपको किसी product से problem है, you immediately write. आपको डर होता है किसी का, आप तुरंत लिखते हो ना, product was not good, I just want to return it.
Yes, ma'am.
So आप क्या करते हो, पूरा तुरंत आपको पता चल जाता है कि your customer is not satisfied with your product. ठीक है, आप immediately you write the message that I want to return. Why? लिखो, फटाफट खत्म. तुमको पता रहता है next day आपका सामान आपके वापस लेके चले जाते हैं. So this is the way how they are establishing a very, very smooth relationship with your customers, also with your employees. Just now, which what examples he has given. So you with your employees, with your customers, and obviously with your suppliers. हम supply chain management इसको और करेंगे अच्छे से कि when you're talking about that, I'm not satisfied with the products, raw materials which is being used. आप अपने node to node select connection बैठा रहता है, wherein you can just go, you can select, and you can just find out कि whichever who are the suppliers who are providing. You can check out which suppliers your customers are your competitors are using, and accordingly you just see to it, okay, their products are good because they are using this raw material, or this particular, or they are from this particular suppliers they are using. So that actually becomes very, very convenient within the organization also and outside the organization also. Okay, so this is the way which these are the four major strategic capabilities, which is really very much advantageous for the organization to run very, very smoothly. So this is the business value. What do you understand by business value? Means advantages, the benefits which is the organization is deriving from these telecommunication networks. Okay, so we can check out some examples also, small, very day-to-day examples. Overcoming geographical barriers, use the internet and yes.
Ma'am, in the last one, overcome structural barrier. Brick and mortar stores using internet technology for the point of sales. This can be an example of overcoming structural barrier as well, right?
Yes, correct, Gaurav. एकदम सही बोल रहे हो. देखो, there are many examples, Gaurav. Okay, and we have to think out कि मतलब हम तो 2-3 examples ही, there are many which can come up. Like for example, time barriers में भी आप ही लोग कितने examples लेके आए कि we are living in different time zones and all, and then we are coming up, and you are ordering at certain point of time, and then you are getting the things right at that point of time. You can get the live tracking, okay, immediately where your product is lying, when your product will reach to. All this will come under your time barriers. So there are many examples. So you name it, and then you can categorize into geographic, time barriers, cost barrier, and structural barrier. Okay, but very valid point. Now, so your e-business examples. So like for example, you are ordering, as just now we have discussed, from traveling salespeople to corporate data center for order processing and inventory control. Like for example, जितना आप देखो, सबसे ज़्यादा अभी data centers which are available for all the organizations are where, in which location? Bangalore. सबसे ज्यादा क्या, इनफैक्ट सारे ऑलमोस्ट डेटा सेंटर्स आपके, यू नेम इट, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, सबके आपके डेटा सेंटर्स आर देयर इन बैंगलोर. Order processing सारे वहां से चलते हैं, and then you are ordering from any different locations, the order is processed, and then node to node from suppliers they are connected and delivery persons are connected, and then you just go about it. Then time variance, credit authorization at the point of sales during using online point of sale network. POS is what, students? ये सब अब shortcuts आप लोग समझो. What is POS?
Point of sale.
Point of sale. Okay, so immediately at the point of sale you get all types of your credit authentication, that how you are going to pay, which way you are going to find out medium of payment you are going to do, and immediately at that point of time it is sorted out. Obviously cost barriers, जैसे हम करते देखते हैं, desktop video conferencing between company, business partners, using internet, intranets and your extranet. So when you are doing within your organizations, you do under the framework of intranet, we'll come to that. Then with outside the organization, when we are doing, we do it through your internet connections. Okay, so हमारे क्विक फोर्स में एक बिग ब्लू बटन है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा उसका बैंडविड्थ लो है, इसीलिए नहीं हो पाता. उसकी ट्रायल भी हुई थी, सो हमारी वो इंटरनेट है कनेक्शन ऑन क्विक फोर्स, सो वी कैन डू इट if any time it is required. Then structural, business to business, electronic commerce websites for transactions with suppliers, customers using the internet and the extranet. So all this is very, very important. So you can just get to any point of time with any of your suppliers. The organization can get to any of the suppliers who is supplying the goods for their customers. Okay. Now you just go through these business values, and if any problem, please read this, all of you. And any problem with any of these points, please let me know. I'll give you 2 minutes to read. Already we have discussed. Please read. Any problem with any of these points, please let me know. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, done. No problem. Ma'am, one thing, strategic capabilities, there is e-business example and business value. So there is a 3 compartment, individual.
I could not get you, please, once again.
Like
Yes.
there is strategic capabilities, then उसके बाद है e-business example. तो इसका example है overcome. Okay.
E-business क्या है? E-business, students, is the complete automation of your business processes. Okay,
Yes,
हमने
ma'am.
difference एक बार किया था ना class में, difference between e-commerce and e-business. ठीक है? So e-business is the complete automation of your business processes which is happening in the organization. Okay, and then so अभी इसको आप इससे confuse मत करना, ये information system, computer automation, जो भी नाम दे दो इसको. Okay, obviously ना ये सब telecommunication तभी use हो सकता है ना when you are having complete automated networks functioning in the organization. Okay, Rajiv?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Any problem in any of these points, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So now coming to the features of the internet now. So first of all, you require, अगर आप सबके पास एक internet connection है, so for that you require who? Internet service providers. So आप बताओ आप लोगों के internet service provider कौन है right now in आपके Wi-Fi या फिर connections के which you have got in your at your home, in your
Jio.
homes.
Airtel.
Airtel. Yes, what did you say?
Jio, Airtel.
Vodafone.
Starlink.
Okay, Vodafone Idea.
Alliance Broadband, ma'am.
Yes, so these are, yes, Apurva, Airtel. Okay, so this is all the internet providers which are facilitating to connect your homes with the internet from the different internets. Say you are connected with my internet net right now, the connection which I am happy we are having. Okay, so again, and I am connected to IBS internet. ऐसे क्या हो रहा है कि connection सारे set up हो रहे हैं. We all are having different internets, but we are connected right now with each other. Okay. Then you need internet applications. Obviously आपको आपके browsers की requirement होते हैं. जैसे most popular internet applications are your email, instant messaging services, browsing, the sites on the World Wide Web, and participating in the news groups and the chat rooms. For example, you are writing your blogs, Twitter, all those things, social media पे आप जो भी कर रहे हो. So all these are what? All these are your internet applications which is connecting you to the virtual world. Then you have business use of the internet. Like for example, why internet is used by a business. Okay, so it actually facilitates in the electronic exchange. Okay, now just tell me, what do you understand by electronic exchange?
Ma'am, digital.
Electronic exchange. If I am sending a message on WhatsApp to Shashank or Megha or to your class group, or I am writing an email to all of you, section Q students, or I am writing a mail, or I am writing a mail to all of, or message to section Q. क्या है? In which form this message is coming to you?
Email, ma'am.
Email, electronic mail. So these are what? These are the electronic exchange of information which I am doing with you all. आप लोगों ने अभी कैसे assignment submit किया मुझे?
Yes,
Electronically, system पे था, create कर दिया गया portal में, and you submitted there. अभी आप test में appear हुए, कैसे appear हुए students?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Online, ma'am.
एक मिनट. Online, हाँ, electronic.
Yes, ma'am.
Electronic method you all have used. आप ये कल किसी राजीव का देखो, राजीव का electricity चला गया,
Yes,
power cut हो गया, तो we could not appear. So क्यों? Because electricity, electronic, and all these things are required to function on, to start working on all these functions. Okay, अभी सबका ऑफ कर दो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन. ठीक है, सब सारे वाईफाई ऑफ कर दो, सबकी क्लास क्या होगी? बंद हो जाएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we are electronically communicating with each other. So actually, this is providing a huge platform for the business to do their applications, do their business over there. Now, ये तो use की बात हो गई. Then we have the value of the internet. So what value it is adding to the business? Okay, value means what extra advantage is this adding to the business. So it is attracting new customer with innovative marketing, product, as well as retaining present customers with improved customer service and support. Obviously, new and new methods are coming up. ठीक है, marketing की आप देख रहे हो, मतलब you name it, and that is coming up in today's scenario. अभी देखो क्या होता है, लोग जनरली अभी एक मिंत्रा का स्टूडियो आप देखे होंगे स्टूडेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes, ma'am.
seen it?
Yes,
मिंत्रा
ma'am.
स्टूडियो क्या है? उसमें मिंत्रा स्टूडियो में एकदम न्यू इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग टेक्निक है जो हम लोग लेके आ गए.
Famous personalities guide us
What is
about
Myntra Studio?
the fashion sense and all.
About any products and the products,
Yes,
or
there is a
any dresses or
customization touch.
whatever they have. Yes. तो see, तो क्या हो रहा है, एक तरफ तो प्रोडक्ट बिक रहा है और साथ के साथ उसकी मार्केटिंग भी चल रही है. एंड इट इज इन ह्यूज डिमांड, ह्यूज, मतलब इट इज मतलब ब्रेकिंग द थिंग्स लाइक एनीथिंग. सो एक मार्केटिंग टेक्निक है कि आपने अपनी आपका है तो अच्छा है, आपने ब्रांड प्रमोशन कर दिया. क्योंकि नाउ इन टुडे अभी सबसे ज्यादा मिंत्रा स्टूडियो के आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ होते हैं पता है? पॉपअप्स, इंस्टाग्राम. क्यों इंस्टाग्राम पे होते हैं सबसे ज्यादा, बताओ?
यंग लोग ज्यादा इसलिए।
या टीवी पे नहीं आ रहा है मिंत्रा स्टूडियो पर, अभी देख लो टीवी पे मिंत्रा स्टूडियो का पैड देखे हो कभी?
क्या हुआ?
मैम उनका टारगेट ऑडियंस इंस्टाग्राम से ज्यादा अच्छा रीच होता है।
यस, तो टारगेट ऑडियंस की वजह से आप ये चीज से फाइंड आउट कर लेते हो कि आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस कहाँ लाइक कर रहा है, एंड दे आर डूइंग ग्रेट विद दैट मेथड ऑफ। अभी जिनको नहीं भी पता था ना, उनको पता चल गया, उनको लग रहा है कि ओके दिस इज नाइस, दिस इज द वे दे आर अट्रैक्टिंग न्यू कस्टमर्स. Okay, so all this you just understand how they are coming up with new techniques, new way of dealing with the customers and just interacting with them. Okay. Moving ahead. So how your companies are actually facilitating the business value from e-business and e-commerce applications is it facilitating the business in reducing the cost of doing the business, because right at their places with single system they can reach out to maximum customers at the same point of time. Okay, develop new web-based products. Okay, now what do you understand by web-based products? अभी just now जो हमने अभी example discuss किया.
We can browse. We can use it through internet in PC, means like web.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. आप ऐसे दिखाओ लोगों को चीजों को कि उनको लगे कि अच्छा, means rightly they are visualizing it and they are means about to buy those products. So ये सब सारी चीजें कि how that will look like, okay, how it will be looking like on internet. इंटरनेट पे वो कैसा दिखेगा, लोगों के सामने वो कैसा प्रेजेंट होगा. सो यू हैव टू बी, ऐसे क्या लगता है कि उठा के कोई कुछ भी डाल देता है? नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. It is presented in such a way that people try to understand कि okay this will look like this. अगर आप सिर्फ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को डाल दो उसको कोई नहीं लेता है जब तक उसका कंप्लीट डायमेंशन आप नहीं दिखाते हो प्रोडक्ट का. टिल दैट टाइम nobody is going to buy it. So आपको ऐसे दिखाना है कि आप पूरा अपना वेब बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाओ ऐसा कि you just people just understand your product in a more better manner. जैसे भी एक बार हमने और डिस्कस किया था लेंसकार्ट का. Lenskart was not generating business till the time they have developed that particular method of promoting their products, wherein you can just put in your face and you can see yourself in all the different
different frames.
Suddenly their sales increased. Suddenly. अभी यही चीज आप उनके शॉप पे जाते तो ये पॉसिबल हो सकता था? No. Right in at your home you can just check out which frame is going to best suit, which will best suit your face, so you can just select automatically from there. Okay, then comes your increased customer loyalty and retention. That because see अभी क्या होता है ना कि अभी आपको भी trust build हो जाता है कि when हम देखते हैं कि हमारा demand या फिर if we are not satisfied with any of the products, they immediately come, return the things. Our returns are filed very smoothly. अभी आपको भी पता है कि अगर हमने कुछ रिटर्न किया मेरा पैसा आराम से वापस आ जाएगा. एक दिन या 2 दिन होते होते within 48 hours they do it. So एक trust, we don't keep on calling like earlier days that I have not received my amount, this that. But because a trust is built up, आपको डर नहीं है, आपको लगता है कि आराम से आपका प्रोडक्ट गया है, आपने रिटर्न में डाला, your money will come back to you. Okay, so this is the way how you have generated a trust amongst your customers also. Then comes attracting new customers. जितना आपका presence होगा वेब पे, आपके कस्टमर्स उतने अट्रैक्ट होंगे, आप उतना ज्यादा लोगों के क्लिक पे आ जाओगे. अभी और एक कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया ऑन क्लिक. ऑन क्लिक पे जितने हो आप लोगों को, आप उतने ज्यादा यू कैन थिंक ऑफ यू आर ब्रिंगिंग इन एंड अट्रैक्टिंग न्यू कस्टमर्स. Obviously developing new markets and channels. Abhi through with the help of electronic commerce right now I am talking about, aapki jo reach hai to your customers has grown like anything in the remote areas also, in the global area also. You have started developing new markets. Okay, and the way you are reaching, the channels through which you are reaching, that is also very, very important. Then generate new revenue sources also. Obviously, if you are generating new markets, so obviously you are generating new revenue sources also. Like for example, आप देखो अभी e-commerce में एक और बहुत important application जो add on हो रहा है, that is your reselling का. Have you heard of that term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reselling. So again, this is what? This is a new way of generating revenue, reselling करने का. So you are buying from some places and again you are reselling it directly from the warehouses. You are picking up and then you are selling. So this is the way कितने सारे startups शुरू हुए reselling के इसमें category. So this is the way things are going on. So any problem with any of these points, students? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
How your internet works. Company can use internet for your business. So for example, you are connected. This is your main headquarter organization wherein you have your own inventory management system. You have your business partners, you have your customers, you have your remote offices, you have your suppliers. So to all of them, you are connected with the help of internet. And now next class, we will segregate into intranet as well as extranet. That how your intranet services are segregated, how your intranet services are segregated. So first is your internet. Two types we will be discussing. One is your extranet. Like for example, with suppliers, as you can see, you have extranet. For electronic commerce, enable suppliers to access inventory, replenish stock, and send documents over secured internet links. So these are your secured internet links when you are attaching your internal network with some of your collaborators. Like for example, आपके suppliers हो गए, आपके business partners हो गए, इन सबके साथ when you are doing any type of businesses, that is happening through extranet. Now your intranet, like for example remote offices of yours, एक तो head office हुआ आपका, अब उस हेड ऑफिस से पूरा का पूरा ऑफिस कनेक्ट करना हो तो क्या हो गया, ये पूरा इंट्रानेट के थ्रू कनेक्शन होगा. ठीक है, योर इंटरनल नेटवर्क इज देयर. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, वी ऑल आर हैविंग IBS credentials. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
We all can access QuickForce sitting at any place and doing your task. We all are. मैंने यहाँ पे मुंबई में टेस्ट डाला and you all sitting in different location can run the test at any point of time. Okay, so how we are connected with? Through intranet links we are connected. So एक ये portal है through which, through IBS server, we are connected with each other through this particular link. पहले तो नहीं था आप लोगों के पास ये लिंक, आप सबके पास आज IBS का क्रेडेंशियल है. ओके, वी रिक्वेस्ट कि आप लोग जब जाते हो अपने साइपी के लिए, आप अपने placements के लिए, so use this particular as your primary email so that whatever we can track very easily. So this is how we will bifurcate next class on intranet and extranet. I don't want to rush through it, okay, because it requires certain explanation also, some good examples also. Okay, any point, any confusion till here? Yes, class?
No.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one question, not regarding
Yes,
this, regarding the exam, ma'am. Ma'am, वो second exam का answers, correct answers sheet क्या मिल पाएंगे, ma'am? मेरा ना कुछ गलत आया है, तो एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है, मैं उसको enable कर दूंगी. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, thank you all of you. Take care, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.